Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got bases, loaded lacquer, Tulo, and rainbows. I'll be using Uber Chic UC Nice and Negative plate today. I've got my nails painted with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is bases, loaded lacquer, Tulo. I don't know how to describe this. It's not white. It's like a creamy, maybe grayish, a little bit of tinge of mauvish in there. I don't know. I mean, I really don't, but I'm here to tell you I really do like it. It's a great base for so many manicures. Now, my application on this is not just gorgeous. Now, you guys know that Bases Loaded Lacquer is known for polishes that, you know, have a great formula, and I don't want this representation to, you know, take that away from Bases Loaded Lacquer. This was me. I was trying to be real thin on my coat because of how short my nails are. But I'm here to tell you, here in just a minute when we do the second coat, it'll be fine. You guys will see. It'll be just fine. I am hopping in with my cleanup brush and Woody to get my, you know, cuticle area cleaned up because I made quite a mess. So here we go with our second coat. And y'all see, I'm still being very stingy with the amount of polish on that brush. I mean, it's just a habit. But I didn't want to make too big of a mess again. I got to get up in this corner because I got this one little spot. Okay, two little spots that were not looking very, you know, opaque. So there we go. I think I got them figured out. I think them fixed. We'll get that cleanup brush out here again and just tidy up that little line a little bit. There we go. I'm going to top this with I&M out the door because at this point I don't really know what I'm doing with this manicure just yet. So I'm topping it with my top coat so that it can dry down so I can figure out what I'm doing next. And while I was waiting on it to dry, I start deciding what's happening today. Hi Woody, how you doing? Very nice manicure though. This is a beautiful color. Love it. Alright, so I decided I was going to use Bases Loaded Lacquer. This is a new purchase that I got, rainbows. It is a chocked full of every color you could think of topper. And you guys know I don't wear toppers a whole lot. I don't know why. I guess it's because it's another step to the manicure. I don't know. But toppers are amazing, and they really do jazz up a manicure. Now, you could sponge this on and get more payoff on that glitter, but I'm just going to do like 2 regular coats. I guess you would call them regular coats, maybe thinnish regular, because I do want to see some bling on these nails. I mean, you know, if you're using a cream as your base, then, you know, you can go crazy on top of that. So there we go with one coat. Here we go with the second coat. Now, I'm not going just too crazy. Really, I thought 2 coats of this, 2 thin coats, was perfect for what I was shooting for. I am so sorry my camera's all blurring out, but it's this bling-tasticness going on the nails causing it. Go get some more on that one, too. Oh, how pretty. Look at all the colors. I mean, it's just, it's rainbow. It's so pretty. I love it. Tara did good on that one. Now, I really do. I'm telling you, what made me a fan of Tara's polishes over at Bases Loaded Lacquer was her creams. The formulas are phenomenal. But I love that she's playing with other stuff. Here we go. We're going to top it with I&M out the door again. Because you guys know this ain't the end of this. It could be. I could wear it just like this any day of the week. I'm telling you, I love how this looks. But I am going to do an accent nail or 2. We'll see. Come on, get there, go. There you go. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. So I broke out Uber Chic Nice and Negative today. And I've got my Bases Loaded Lacquer. And this is on the black. And then I've got my Monocle Stamper and my H. La Cosadora Scraper out today. And here we go. I love that viney looking image. You guys know, swirly twirly looking viney. I'm all down with it. So I've decided to do my thumbnail and my ring fingernail as my accent nails today. And I am going to behave. I'm going to stick to just those two and let it be. I did clean that plate with pure acetone, by the way. And I always clean my stamper off on a lint roller or use sticky tape to get it off there. Do not use acetone on your stampers, people. You will not be happy with yourself. I am going to go in here with this piece of tape and get up some of that excess because I don't want it on my skin. And very carefully I'm going to plop that down. There we go. I am going to clean my scraper card with the acetone because I want it clean for next time too. And my little mat. I'll flip that cotton ball over. Oh, it's not sticking good. There we go. Okay, I think I got it. Come on. You know, you got to grab it just right or it'll just flop around. So, cleaning the plate and the stamper and everything. And I look on the back of the plate. Make sure my mat's all clean. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get this excess polish off of any skin that I can get up. Because this is really the best way. It doesn't smear and get all into the nooks and crannies of your skin like this part right here does sometimes. I've got my acetone out and my cleanup brush. And I dip down in my acetone and then kind of dab it on the paper towel so that it's not just floating in acetone before I hit that nail. Because I don't want the acetone to flood the cuticles and mess things up. I just want enough on there to get this cleaned up. There we go. I am going to top these with the smudge-free top coat, the ones that I stamped. And once that is totally dry, I'm going to top everything with Moonshine Mani's Let's Go Top Coat. I found this in my bucket. I'd forgotten I bought like 15 of them. So we're going to use these occasionally too. So even on just the unstamped nails, we're also using that. Get Woody out here. Thank you, Woody. Getting those little bitty spots. Thank you. And here we go with some Let's Go Top Coat on the stamped manicure nail. Manicured nail. God, y'all, I can't talk today. It's so cold here. I'm like, even my mouth's frozen and can't talk right. So there we go. Gonna cap that free edge. But I really loved how this one turned out. But I would like to hear your opinion. What do you think about this manicure? There's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.